152 number part of the language part. So like this basically each and every body parts basically are divided. Same way basically the death process basically. Each and every, for example, one person to Sunil मेरा तेरा यार हाथ मतलब your hand basically is not proper basically. So do you know basically who basically might have done? So hand process basically is divided to some certain groups basically. Leg process basically somebody is so that basically leg process basically have some problem, that is given to some group. One of the person, अरे तेरा your private part basically is having some problem, that is given to some different group. Your stomach basically is having some problem, that is given to some different group. So after birth basically the entire data basically is given to the another group basically. So birth group is there also and death group are also basically there. So this way basically the everywhere basically the finance is connected. Finance basically is connected. Everywhere basically the finance is connected. That means the banks are connected. That means the World Bank is connected. That means the financial industries are connected. So financial industry and nuclear power group basically. And nuclear power group and power industry. And power industry and birth and death cities basically. So all basically are basically connected with each other basically. So this is basically one union basically you can say. This is basically one union also basically you can say. So you basically not got the job in Mumbai. That means this union basically was involved in that time basically. So that time basically whatever birth has happened, that basically happened. And in that basically you are basically not got the job, you basically suffered for the software industry basically job, all the Infotech Park like Rajiv Gandhi Infotech Park, the Andheri Infotech Park, then the Santa Cruz Infotech Park, then the Vashi Infotech Park, then the Panvel Infotech Park, then the Vashi Infotech Park, then the Sanpada Infotech Park, like all the Infotech Park of the software industry basically told that basically we will not give job to Sunil Larna basically. Whatever thing basically happen in future basically we will be taking the responsibility. So whatever thing basically is going to happen just now is happening basically, so they have taken the responsibility. That is the software industry and that is within the Mumbai chief minister basically. So here one of the person told that like this basically the stuff basically are connected. So one person told that मेरे को तो अभी भी मतलब वन ऑफ द पर्सन वी बेसिकली स्टिल नॉट एबल टू गेट द थिंग इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो बेसिकली